This video covers Windows 10 Pro and how it can help you as a partner grow your business. In this sales scenario, the customer is in an import-export business. The customer has about 50 employees and they are running older PCs, mainly desktops and laptops, and a mixture of Windows XP and Windows 7 PCs. The customer knows he needs to move off of Windows XP with Windows 7 on the laptops. The main business issue he wants to solve relates to his. They are all hardworking employees, but he believes he can improve their productivity by becoming more efficient with their time, for example, more time discussing their needs, having high-quality supporting materials in their sales meetings as a view into their inventory. He feels that they can drive more sales. The sales team is currently using laptops with Windows 7, but they are only able to use them while at work. Use Outlook for basic contact information, and they share files from an on-premises server. With customers, their smartphone to show websites, pen and paper to take notes, which they then have to transcribe after each meeting into their laptop, and then only sync with their shared files, folders, and mail server when they are back in the office. The business owner wants them to have a great device that they can use while they are mobile during customer meetings at their offices. They should be able to have access to the shared files and folders with their colleagues. Ideally, they could even collaborate with their colleagues while mobile in real time. Would be to have access to inventory information through a basic Windows 32 app that they are running back at the office. We'll also walk through the approach of leading the devices first, cross-selling services, and also proposing an app solution that can help streamline the business processes. A device running Windows 10 can meet many of this team's needs. Windows 2-in-1s are the perfect. Need a device that works like a PC when they need to work intensely, update their Outlook contact information, edit shared files and folders with the team, type longer emails, search the web for information, and access their existing Windows apps. At the same time, when it comes time to presenting to their customers, their presentation with the touch of the screen. With OneDrive built into Windows 10, each employee has his or her own workspace that automatically syncs with the cloud. With this solution, the customer now has a single device for his sales team to get intense work done on sales presentations with the same device. Free consumer services are available, including OneDrive, Outlook.com, Skype from the Windows Store, and even Office web apps. Offline working, webmail, voice communications, and document editing with colleagues while online. Of course, most businesses above a certain level require business-grade services. The natural cross-sell once you've laid the foundation with a solid Windows device. With a range of plans and pricing available, it's easy to find one that will fit your customers' needs. 365 Business can have access to full installed Office applications on his or her PCs, Office for tablets, online versions, and 1 terabyte of storage. The sales team can now get their familiar tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and when they need them on any of their devices. Share them with colleagues or the customer, even co-author in real time, no matter where they are. And the team stuff is always up to date. Online files are always in sync, and Office applications are always the latest version too. Microsoft Intune is another very obvious cross-sell with devices to manage their PCs, tablets, and smartphones. Other device vendors. Intune also allows the customer to provide its sales team and other employees with access to internal applications, data, and resources virtually anywhere on all their devices, and it helps keep the company information secure. Of course, these services add revenue and healthy margin for you to the current deal. Service provider, you can also get recurring revenue with annual revenues. Also propose a customized solution based on an app or a combination of apps. In this case, that would combine information from a customer database, inventory tracking, and orders taking and tracking. In a simple example, these are apps already developed by ISVs in the Windows Store that the customer can purchase and use. Inc. is an example that helps automate the sales cycle and runs end-to-end in the cloud. For larger customers, based on Microsoft Dynamics CRM would prove more tailored and scalable. Build your own apps if you have the development skills in-house, or you can subcontract this to one of the thousands of line of business ISVs in Windows apps. This free upgrade offer creates a great opportunity to motivate customers to upgrade from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10 Pro. Help customers get current so they can benefit from the many technological advances in Windows 8.1 and avoid the increased risks associated with running non-supported software. Get your customers on the latest Windows client technology, setting the stage for new cross-sell and services opportunities, such as selling Office 365 and delivering consulting services around enabling a mobile workforce. Back in January 2015, Microsoft announced that qualified Windows 7 or Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 devices will be eligible for a free upgrade to Windows 10 if upgraded within 1 year of the Windows 10 release. Pro is included, though Windows 7 Enterprise, Windows 8 and 8.1 Enterprise, and Windows RT and RT 8.1 are specifically excluded from the offer. Of course, active software assurance customers in volume licensing have the upgrade to Windows 10 Enterprise benefit outside of this offer. Once a qualified Windows device is upgraded to Windows 10, Microsoft will continue to keep it up to date for the supported lifetime of the device, keeping it more secure and introducing new features and functionality over time for no additional charge. Excited to sign up online for more information about Windows 10 and the upgrade offer in the coming months. Opportunity to use the offer announcement to, number 1, engage customers and set the foundation for delivering upgrade-related services, overcome customer resistance to buying new devices, and/or upgrading to Windows 8.1. Although Microsoft announced that the non-genuine PCs Windows 10 genuine state of the license. If a device is non-genuine or mislicensed prior to the upgrade, then that device will continue to be non-genuine or mislicensed after the upgrade. Properly licensed and as such will not be supported by Microsoft or a trusted partner. Offer details, including information regarding what devices may qualify, are publicly available at www.com/Windows 10 upgrade for more information. Windows 10 offers a number of improvements over Windows 7 and Windows 8 Pro. Users will be delighted with the following: Continuum, which optimizes their experience for what you're doing in the device you're using, Azure AD and Office 365 logins, Windows and cloud resources such as Office 365, the Windows Store, OneDrive, Azure Apps, and even many common websites. Runs on all Windows 10 devices with no modifications. Protection protects business data is, and manages it separately from users' personal files. Windows Hello recognizes you, freeing you from having to remember or type in a password. Cortana, a truly personal digital assistant who helps you get things done. And a modern browser. Browser compatible with the modern web. You as a reseller and managed services provider will also benefit from the following: the business store and private catalog. This lets you essentially acquire, distribute, and manage apps for your customers through their own category in the Windows Store. An MDM client. Mobile devices with an existing MDM solution, a third-party MDM solution, or even MDM built into Office 365. Devices with Windows 10 pre-installed will ship sometime after the release of Windows 10. Range of devices available already in the market running Windows 8.1. OEMs will confirm which of these devices will be upgradable to Windows 10. The goal is to have as many of these Windows 8.1 devices upgradable to Windows 10 as soon as possible. Will be made available through Windows Update for free for up to 1 year after launch. Windows Insider program and download and test Windows 10 Technical Preview. Learn more via Windows webinar training series through MPN. Use the free upgrade offer and customer-ready content the Partner Marketing Center to drive the final wave of Windows 8.1 sales, customers on Windows 10 deployment and management services.